Alright folks, how you doing? So just a quick message for those of you out there who are dog owners. Please remember to clean your dog's ears, especially if you own like a spaniel or a golden retriever. Any type of dog that's got floppy ears. It's very easy for yeast and bacteria to build up in the ear canal, and cause infections. And I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube recently of dogs who've gone to the vet, or gone to the groomer, and they've got these hideous ear infections, or they've got ear hair that's built up in the ear canal, and they have to pull it out, and the dog is yelping and crying, and it's got like an ear infection. Listen, the dogs can't clean their own ears. You need to clean the ears thoroughly, especially, like I said, if you've got like a spaniel or a golden retriever or any kind of floppy-eared dog. It's easy to kind of overlook that, but it's very painful for the dogs. It can cause serious health issues like deafness or infections. So remember to clean the ears and regularly, trim the ear hair out of the ear canals. I'm not a dog owner, but I love dogs. So please remember, clean your dog's ears on a regular basis before it becomes a problem. Anyway, thanks for watching.